Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly chasing big numbers on social media? Well, buckle up, because today we're flipping the script and diving into the power of prioritizing quality over quantity in your content strategy. Get ready to unlock the secrets to making a real impact with your audience. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm Kristina Stubblefield, and every week we help you unleash your business's potential, boost your visibility, and maximize your time. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: the power of prioritizing quality over quantity in your content strategy. Let's kick things off with a little story time. Picture this. A couple of years ago, I found myself stuck in the endless cycle of chasing numbers on social media. It was overwhelming and, quite frankly, frustrating. Can you relate? But then something clicked. I realized that it wasn't about the numbers. It was about the connections that I was making with my audience. So I made a conscious decision to shift my focus from quantity to quality. And let me tell you, it has really made an impact in our business. Here's the thing. When you focus on creating meaningful content that resonates with your audience, the results speak for themselves. Sure, we may not have thousands and thousands of followers or likes, but what we do have is a loyal community of engaged listeners who trust us and believe in what we do. And that, my friends, is priceless. So now let's tackle a common misconception head on. The idea that you need a massive following to be successful. Trust me when I say this, it's simply not true. What really matters is the impact you make on your audience, not the size of your following. It's easy to get caught up in this numbers game. But here's the truth. When you're obsessed with vanity metrics, you risk losing sight of what really matters: creating content that resonates with your audience and builds genuine connections. So, how do we measure success in terms of content strategy? Well, it's important to define what success means to you and your business. While metrics like follower count and likes can be important for some, they shouldn't be the sole focus. Instead, consider the impact of your content. Are you building trust with your audience? Are you establishing yourself as a thought leader in your industry? These intangible factors can be just as valuable, if not more so, than just metrics. As you evaluate success of your content strategy, remember to look beyond the numbers and focus on the meaningful connections and opportunities it brings. For me, it's all about making an impact. Whether it's a heartfelt message from a listener or a new client referral, those are the moments that truly matter to me. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. I want to share with you some practical tips for developing a content strategy that prioritizes quality engagement. First things first. Create a content plan that aligns with your goals and values. Think about who your audience is, what they need, and how you can serve them best. Next, find your rhythm. Consistency is key, but that doesn't mean you have to post every day or multiple times a day. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. And finally, engage authentically with your audience. Respond to comments. Ask questions and show your personality. Remember, it's not just about broadcasting your message, it's about building a community. And there you have it. We just covered the crucial concept of prioritizing quality over quantity in your content strategy. I hope these insights spark newfound clarity and motivation within you to hone in on what truly resonates with your audience. As you embark on your content journey, remember, it's not about the quantity of content you produce, but the quality of the connections you foster. If you need someone to help you with your content strategy and plan, maybe you feel like you need someone to come alongside you and help guide you with creating a strategic content plan for your business. Schedule a discovery call with me. I can help create a roadmap that aligns with your business goals. Just visit my website, KristinaStubblefield.com. If you're struggling with an overall marketing plan for your business, check out this video right here.